AI videos are now everywhere. Whether you want to create full-length AI story videos for YouTube or short videos for social media, you just need to describe your idea through a prompt and your AI video will be created in just a few minutes. And today I am going to talk about Hypernatural AI, which lets you create AI story videos with consistent characters and your custom style and voice. It also has a built-in editor where you can customize everything and add motion to your AI scenes in just one click. So let's get started. So this is the website of Hypernatural AI and you can see here it is written, bring your story to life. Hypernatural is the best end-to-end AI video editor. Go from script to full-length video in minutes. So you just have to type your prompt, you just have to describe what type of video you want, and this tool will create your video in just a few minutes. So you can create full-length AI story videos, or you can also create those viral short videos which you see in social media. So here you can see there are some featured videos what you can create, and there are some ideas. So first of all you have to sign up on this platform. So you can sign in with your Google account, or you can just add your details and then sign in into the platform. So after signing in, you can see this is how the interface looks like, and here you can see there is an input box where you can just describe, you can type what type of video you want to create, you can add your characters, add your style, everything you have to describe here, and then you have to just click enter and it will just start creating your video. So before that I will just give you a tour of all the features. So you can see here are different inspiration how this can be created. Here you can see there is a prompt, so you can just get inspiration like how you have to describe your video. So first you can see here is different styles like 3D animation, anime, impressionist, and there you can also create your own style. Here I have created one my style. You can see I had uploaded a photo of me, and you can just use that as an inspiration, as a style. So you can also create a style. You have to click here create style, and then you can upload some images, and from that it will just take inspiration and then add your style as here, and then you can just use in your video. So after style you can also add some characters. You can see there are some default characters, and you can also add your own character, your own image, or you can just add any image as your character. You can see I have added here my character, my photo, and you can see here are its features, here are its characteristics. So you have to just click here on new character, and then you have to upload your image, and then you can just name it and your character will be added. So now I will show you the complete workflow of how you can create an AI video with Supernatural AI. So currently I am just thinking of a video, a story video. So I am just typing here story of two friends finding gold coins in a forest, and now you can see there are many options. If you click on plus, you can just add your photo, video, anything you want to add here as a reference. And then you can see here is at the red symbol. If you click here, you can select your characters, you can also select your products. I will show you about products in a few minutes, and then you can also choose your style. So currently I am choosing here anime style, and then you can just select a length of your video like 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 10 minutes, longer than 10 minutes. So you can just create long form AI videos through this. So currently for demo I am just selecting this clip, and then you have the option of selecting your aspect ratio. If you want vertical video, then you can select 9:16. If you want horizontal video for YouTube, then you can click here 16:9. So currently I am selecting vertical video 9:16, and then you have to just click here enter, and now it will just start working on the video. So now you can see on the left hand side it is showing the script, and I had just given us very simple line like story of two friends finding gold coins in a forest, and now it has converted that into a detailed script. You can see, and I think it is looking good. And here you can see here is the option of language. You can create videos in different languages, and then it is showing the length of the video. You can see, and if you want to shorten it, then you can just click here shorter, and it will just shorten the video length. And if you want to make it longer, you can just click here longer. So currently I am just once again clicking here shorter, and I want the video to be around 1 minute, so I think it is good. 63 seconds. So after looking at everything, if you think it is good, so you have to just click here generate, and then it will start generating your AI scenes. So now you can see it has generated some scenes as per the script, and you can see this is the editor. You can just look how it has generated, and if you want to change something you can edit that, you can change that. So let me just play and see how the video is looking.
Kaito and Ren, two inseparable friends, ventured deep into the Whispering Woods.
So currently this is just a compilation of different AI scenes, different AI images, and if you want to add motion so that it feels like a video, you have to just click one button. This is the option full motion. So I am clicking here full motion, and then you can see there are different scenes of this story, and you can just select that on which AI scene you want to add motion. So currently everything is selected, and now I am just clicking here add motion, and now motion will be added to every scene, and this will look like a real video. So now every scene has been animated, and now let me play the video.
Are you sure this is the right way, Ren? The map I drew looks a little smudged.
Kaito asked, turning to his friend.
My sense of direction is always right, Kaito. We're almost to the Whispering Falls. I can feel it.
Ren replied, a slight smile playing on her lips.
You can see it has added motion to every AI scene, and it looks like a real video. So I think my video is now completed, and if you want to export it, you have to just click here export, and then you can just select on what quality you want to export, and you can just download this video. So there is one another option I wanted to show you in addition to characters, my styles and voices. There is an option of my products. If there is a product you want in your videos to be consistent, you can just click here as my products. So I have added one water can. You can see MN water, alkaline water product, and you can also add one. So you have to just click here new product, and then you can add some photos, and you can just name it, and it will be added. So now I will show you how you can create AI video with your own product. So I'm just going here on the create page, and now I am typing here. So you can just type @ and then there will be option of selecting your characters, your product and your style, or you can just also click here on the @ option. So I am clicking here water. This is my product, and add about water. So I am selecting my character, which is me, is telling the benefits of water, and then you can just select the length. So currently I am also selecting small, and now I am selecting 16:9 aspect ratio, and then I am selecting the style. So now I will click here photographic style, and then I am just clicking here on the go button. So now you can see it has generated the script. The video length is showing 26 seconds. I think it is good, a very short video. If you want to add something you can add, and if you want to edit something you can also edit. And then if I go to the design option, you can see I have selected photographic style, and now I am selecting captions, and let's see, there are many styles. So I am going with this option, and then I am just going on the cast page. So here is narrator. I am changing the voice now, and now I am just clicking here generate, and now it will generate AI scenes so that I can just add motion and make the video. So now you can see it has generated AI scenes, and you can see this is my face, my picture, and you can see the character consistency on every AI scene, on every AI image. The face is looking same. So this is the main advantage of using Hypernatural. You can create AI videos with character consistency and with a consistent style. So let's play the video and see how it has generated all the scenes.
Ever feel like your body just needs a boost? I used to feel sluggish, but not anymore. This is my secret.
I think every scene looks good, but the first scene should be something more. I think there should be a picture of body and something more. So I am just clicking here edit, and I am typing here. So now you can see a different image has been added, and I think this suits with the script.
I used to feel sluggish, but not anymore. This is my secret.
So now let's click here full motion. So this is the magic button, and I think it is one of the best features of this AI tool. So I'm clicking here full motion, and then I am selecting all these AI scenes, and I'm going to click here add motion, and now all the AI scenes will be animated and it will look like a real video. So now every AI scenes have been animated, so let's see how the video looks.
Ever feel like your body just needs a boost? I used to feel sluggish, but not anymore. This is my secret. MN Water's pH 9 plus alkaline water helps neutralize acidity and rehydrate your body at a cellular level. It's not just water, it's a feeling of revitalization. Feel the difference that truly balanced hydration can make in your day.
So I think the video looks good, and this is how you can create AI story videos with Hypernatural AI. And this is the end-to-end video editor, so you can just edit any scene you want and you can customize everything. You can see there are many options. You can add captions, you can like whatever there is feature like narrator voice, character, product, so everything can be edited here, everything can be customized, and you can just create AI story videos like whatever way, in whatever style you want to create. And if you want to create AI videos through Hypernatural AI, so you can find the link of this website on the video description, and if you go to the pricing page you will find a free plan also, where you can create AI videos up to 30 seconds, and I think this is a great way to test it out how you can create AI videos through it. And then if you want to upgrade to a premium plan, then you can use my coupon code MN10 where you can get 10% discount.